Welcome to How to Crypto. Today we are looking at how to buy Solana in the United States for the lowest fees. First, open up the Voyager app. This is going to get us a much better price as well as much lower fees than what Coinbase would. If you don't already have it, use the link in the description to get an extra $25 worth of Bitcoin on your first purchase. Once you're inside, click on USD and then deposit USD and put in any amount of cash that you would like. You can see that the amount that we put in is actually the exact amount that gets added to our USD balance. So they don't take a fee here, nor does Voyager ever take a fee when we purchase a coin. Scroll down and find Solana, which is SOL. Click Buy SOL. We can place a market order if we want to buy right then and there for the best price they can get us, or we can place a limit order if we'd rather hold off for a certain price. Then put in the amount of USD you would like to spend on it and swipe to submit the order. It will fill as soon as it gets a chance. That's all there is to it. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you want more information on how to buy coins for the lowest fees, as well as my other types of videos where I look at popular altcoins and see if they're overvalued or undervalued, and if it's something you actually want to hold for the long term. If you need help buying any other cryptos, make sure you comment below and I'll be sure to come out with a tutorial for you. I'll see you next time.